Well, that's actually a great question. Let's kind of transition here into what we're looking forward to with Qlik Connect. I mean, for me, it is what Brendan was just talking about, these kind of real world use cases. I mean, that's where the gold is, when you get to sit down across the table from somebody who is implementing this stuff and hear how they're doing it, what they really think of it, unfiltered. This is the real state of affairs. But of course, there's also a lot of other things that happen. We've got a couple of keynotes. I'm hearing rumors that one of them might be especially amusing. The second keynote there. The first keynote's going to be all technical, and we're going to be live streaming our feedback from that on the Tech Field Day site. We're going to be doing a live blog, I should say, on that. Gina, you were at Qlik Connect with us previously. What are you looking forward to? What do you like to see again?
Uh, Everything is good. What I like, one of the things I did like, honestly, is the customers showing off what they have done and how they've been using it. So you hear the customer use cases, and in all the community events, their community is super activated and not shy in any stretch of the imagination. So they're very happy to tell you what's going on and what they like and what they don't like. I think that's pretty much what I'm looking forward to.
Yeah. For me, it's the energy on the floor. I think you can go to many tech conferences and you just don't have that. And that's twofold really. That's the customer energy that's on the floor, the buzz that's there. But I think it's also fair to say that the Qlik exec team do a really excellent job of being around. And I mean around in the truest sense, right? Where they're there to mingle where they can possible. And it's really nice to have that. It's a different kind of vibe from going into a grey square and walking around a bunch of booths. Qlik Connect isn't really like that, or never has been in my experience. So I'm really looking forward to seeing some of, because we always get some surprises. So I'm looking forward to what's around the corner this time.
Yeah, I'm looking at all the insider trading notes I have on here about what we're going to announce. I'd love to share it on this. I can't. My perspective is, so I was unable to attend Qlik Connect last year because I had a bit of a health crisis. So I'm actually just looking forward to going back and seeing some of the customers that I know and really respect. And I think, Gina, you said it well. Some of the customer stories, they're surprising at how much of an impact that we really have as an organization, but it's where we've already always tried to be successful and help our customers. And Brian, just you've been in the ecosystem for years. I'll just say I love watching some of the partners show up dressed in full on green. Um, whether it's the green shoes, the green socks, or Dalton, if you're listening to this, your green tie, we love that. I can promise you, I will have my green sambas this year, so we'll really get into it. But ultimately, it gets back down to talking to the customers and the partners. That's what really blows my hair back on this. So I'm looking forward to it. And then the surprises that we're about to announce in a couple weeks here.